Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Wellness Place. If you're tired of feeling sluggish, bored with your meals, or just looking for a way to bring some excitement back into your kitchen, you're in the right place. Today, we're not just talking about food. We're talking about transforming your entire approach to eating and living well. You want the secret to feeling brilliant? It's not locked away in some expensive supplement or hidden in a celebrity's diet plan. It's right here, in your own kitchen, waiting to be discovered. Imagine waking up every day excited for your meals, knowing that what you eat can actually help you feel more energized, focused, and alive. It's not about bland food or miracle powders. Forget choking down plain chicken and steamed broccoli, or spending a fortune on the latest superfood trend. The real magic happens when you embrace flavor, variety, and a little bit of creativity. The real trick is smart, delicious cooking that works for you. When you learn to use the right ingredients, you can turn even the simplest meal into something extraordinary. Cooking should be fun, satisfying, and most importantly, something that supports your health and your goals. Spices can do more than add flavor. They can support your metabolism as part of a healthy lifestyle. These little jars of color and aroma are packed with compounds that can help your body work better, from boosting your metabolism to helping you feel fuller for longer. Forget fad diets and quick fixes. The answer is simpler, tastier, and a lot more fun. Today, we're diving into the spice rack for 8 incredible spices that pack flavor and might just give your metabolism a boost. These aren't rare or hard-to-find ingredients. They're everyday heroes that can transform your cooking and your health. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, you'll find something here to inspire you. No magic, just real food and movement. Pairing delicious, nutrient-rich meals with a bit of daily activity is the real secret to feeling your best. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. No deprivation, no guilt, just good food and good habits. Ready to stop being an idiot sandwich and start cooking with purpose? Let's get into it. Grab your apron, fire up your taste buds, and let's unlock the power of spices together. Let's go. First up, let's talk about cayenne pepper, the undisputed king of heat in the spice world. This fiery red powder isn't just a kitchen staple. It's a powerhouse ingredient that can transform both your meals and your metabolism. That bold, vibrant color isn't just for show. It's a sign of the potent capsaicin inside, the very compound that gives chilies their signature punch and makes your tongue tingle. Capsaicin is what sets cayenne apart from other spices, delivering not just heat, but a cascade of health benefits. When you eat cayenne, capsaicin gets to work by boosting your metabolism. It does this by raising your body temperature in a process called thermogenesis. Imagine your body as a furnace. Cayenne is like tossing in an extra log, making that fire burn hotter and faster, so you naturally burn more calories, even while you're just sitting around. Think of it as fueling your body's calorie-burning engine. The more efficiently your body burns energy, the easier it is to maintain a healthy weight, or even shed a few stubborn pounds. Of course, cayenne isn't a magic solution. It won't turn you into a supermodel overnight, but it does help your body work smarter, not harder. Adding a little heat to your meals can make healthy eating more enjoyable and sustainable in the long run. Plus, a bit of heat makes meals more satisfying. Spicy foods can help curb your appetite, so you're less likely to overeat or reach for unhealthy snacks later. That satisfying burn can actually help you feel fuller, faster. If you're new to cayenne, start small. A pinch in your morning eggs, a dash in your favorite soup, or a sprinkle over avocado toast. You'll be surprised how a little goes a long way. Roasted vegetables are another perfect canvas. Just a light dusting of cayenne can elevate the flavors, making even the simplest veggies taste gourmet. Remember, it's about adding complexity and depth to your food, not overwhelming your taste buds. The goal is to enhance, not overpower. Cayenne is a powerful tool in your kitchen arsenal. Use it to bring vibrant color, bold flavor, and a metabolic kick to your meals. It's a simple way to make everyday dishes more exciting and nutritious. Don't let your spice rack gather dust. Rediscover those jars and bring them back to life. Spices like cayenne are meant to be used, not forgotten. So, get creative in the kitchen. Try cayenne in marinades, salad dressings, or even sprinkled over popcorn for a spicy snack. The possibilities are endless, and your taste buds and metabolism will thank you. Stop waiting, grab that cayenne, spice up your meals, and feel the burn in the best way possible. Next up, let's talk about turmeric, often called the golden powerhouse of the spice world. This vibrant yellow root has been treasured for centuries, not just for its color and flavor, but for its incredible health benefits. Turmeric is a staple in kitchens across the globe, from India to the Middle East, and it's easy to see why. The secret behind turmeric's magic is a compound called curcumin. Curcumin is what gives turmeric its bright color and its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural process, but when it becomes chronic, it can lead to a host of health problems, including sluggish metabolism and weight gain. Curcumin helps to calm this inflammation, supporting your body's natural balance and making it easier for you to feel your best. Chronic inflammation can quietly disrupt your metabolism, making it harder to maintain a healthy weight and energy levels. By including turmeric in your diet, you're giving your body a natural tool to help clear away these obstacles. Curcumin works at a cellular level, helping your body function more efficiently and recover faster from daily stressors. Some research even suggests that curcumin may help suppress the growth of fat tissue, making it a valuable ally if you're looking to manage your weight. Scientists are still exploring all the ways turmeric can benefit our health, but the evidence so far is promising. One of the best things about turmeric is how versatile it is. You can blend it into your morning smoothie for a subtle, earthy kick, sprinkle it over scrambled eggs for a pop of color, stir it into curries for depth of flavor, or even whip up a soothing golden milk latte to wind down at night. The possibilities are endless, and each dish gets a boost of both taste and nutrition. Here's a pro tip. Always pair turmeric with a pinch of black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, a compound that dramatically increases your body's ability to absorb curcumin. Without it, you might miss out on many of turmeric's benefits, so don't forget this simple step. Start with about a teaspoon of turmeric a day. It's easy to add to soups, rice, roasted vegetables, or even a homemade salad dressing. Experiment and find what works for your taste buds and routine. Remember, turmeric isn't just a spice, it's delicious medicine. Each bite is a step toward better health, and it can transform even the simplest meal into something special. So, build your meals on this golden foundation. Get creative in the kitchen and let turmeric's vibrant color and powerful benefits inspire you to cook, nourish, and thrive every day. Ginger, spicy, aromatic, and essential. Its active compound, gingerol, gives a gentle thermogenic boost to your metabolism. Ginger shines in the gut, aiding digestion and helping you feel full. A happy gut means better nutrient absorption and weight management. Try fresh ginger. Grate it into stir-fries, dressings, or make ginger tea. It adds zesty heat and brightens any dish. From Asian dishes to roasted veggies, ginger makes everything vibrant. Its flavor, its function, it's brilliant. Get it in your basket. Don't skip it. Cinnamon, the sweet spice with a secret. It helps regulate blood sugar, preventing spikes and crashes that lead to cravings. Stable blood sugar means steady energy and fewer urges for sugary snacks. Cinnamon slows carb breakdown and improves insulin sensitivity. Use Ceylon for regular use, but any cinnamon works. A teaspoon a day is plenty. Sprinkle it on porridge, yogurt, coffee, or even savory dishes. It's not just for desserts, it's a blood sugar balancing superstar. Make it a daily habit. Black pepper, the overlooked powerhouse. Its compound, piperine, has thermogenic properties and boosts metabolism. But its real genius? Piperine increases the absorption of nutrients, especially curcumin from turmeric, by up to 2,000%. Always pair black pepper with turmeric for maximum benefit. Use freshly ground pepper, not the pre-ground dust. Add it to everything. Eggs, salads, soups, meats, veggies. It's not just a seasoning, it's a catalyst for flavor and health. Give black pepper the respect it deserves. Cumin, earthy, nutty, and a staple in global cuisines. Emerging research shows cumin may help burn fat and support weight loss. It's also a great source of iron, keeping your energy and metabolism up. Toast whole seeds for deeper flavor, or use ground cumin in tacos, stews, and marinades. It adds savory depth and makes healthy food satisfying. Don't skip this foundational spice. Fenugreek, unique in flavor and a champion for appetite control. Its soluble fiber swells in your stomach, making you feel full and satisfied. It slows digestion and sugar absorption, keeping blood sugar stable and cravings at bay. Use the seeds soaked in water or add ground fenugreek to curries and stews. Try fenugreek leaves in flatbreads or lentil dishes for a milder taste. It's a game changer for portion control. Experiment and don't be afraid. Garlic, the king of flavor and health. Its active compound, allicin, boosts metabolism and may help prevent fat storage. Garlic makes healthy food taste incredible, so you're more satisfied and less likely to reach for unhealthy options. It's also anti-inflammatory, heart-healthy, and immune-boosting. Always use fresh garlic, smash, chop, or roast it for maximum flavor. Use it as the base for sauces, soups, and stir-fries. It's the most important ingredient in your kitchen. Use it liberally. 8 spices that do more than add flavor. They're your secret kitchen allies for wellness. But before making big changes, talk to a healthcare provider or dietitian. This isn't a quick fix. It's about building a better lifestyle, one delicious meal at a time. Spices make healthy eating exciting and sustainable. Be brave, experiment, and make your food exciting. Let me know in the comments which is your favorite spice. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Stay healthy.